coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So today, I've got something from Taiwan. This is a-sha with their Jin Kung Fu. I think it's scallion and chili dry noodle. Yeah, sounds good. I like me some scallion. I like me some dry noodle. So let's make this happen. There. Noodle block. Dropping that in. There's some more. Some more little bits and pieces. And that's gonna go for, it said 5.5 minutes. That sounded like a lot of time. But works for me. So probably like, oh great, he's gonna yammer for 5.5 minutes. Yeah, I am. If you have a problem with that, please call your nearest elected official and ask them to contact me about yammering. So it's Friday still. Been doing a lot of walking. I'm starting to feel the effects of that negatively. Although I did more today. Yeah, it's like my feet at certain points, it feels like my toes are like just big blisters on the end of my feet that are gonna pop. But they're not all blistery. It's really strange. I'm just feeling a lot of pressure. And then like just like my shins, just like this aching. And I looked it up and there was mention of like, what's it called, shin splits and stress fractures. But it mentioned this is what happened to people that did a lot of running. But then again, I do a lot of walking down long downhill pieces, and when you walk downhill, every step you take strikes harder. So we'll see. I don't know. I really hate to ratchet it back because I really like walking really fast and walking as much as I can every day. But if I got to do it so I can continue walking, I'll do it. So yeah. But today, doing the indoor walking. So I walked from that sliding glass door. Actually, I walked from the pantry door right here, next to the fridge, out, around through the gate, up, back, behind, up that way, and into the kids' room, all the way in the corner and back. One time doing that is 50 steps. So it adds up. I'd rather be outside walking, but can't really do that currently. So, but it's a workaround and it works. I've already done like what, almost 12,000 steps today. So yeah. And then I've got these. They're only 2 pounds each, but it's something. I mean, it's like repetitive. And I just got to figure out some kind of exercise that's good for getting rid of gut. But I don't know. My pants keep growing, and that's like the main goal, is to grow pants. Anyways. Enough about me. Oh wait, you can't talk. Okay, more about me. Good chance that there could be a thunderstorm today. I'm looking forward to that. I love thunderstorms. Power outages are cool too, as long as I've saved everything. If I haven't, then not so much. But yeah, just got done with the. Just posted the top 10 bowls list the other day, and I'm just about done with the video for the top or the bottom 10 list. And then did the diet video, which already came out. And then the other one that I did that day was the top 10 cups list. So that'll come out in July. So yeah. And then the next few lists, I'm going to come out with some new ones, I think. I might do another garnish list because people are asking about that. Which is fun, but I can't really do a top 10 of that. I can do like 10 garnishes I think are spot on or something like that. Or how the Ramen Raider hacks his ramen, or how the Ramen Raider pimps his ramen. If I pimp my ramen, I mean, I hate the term, but I understand it, and I make pretty pimpy ramen, I'll admit it. But there's nobody that'll eat it. I take a couple bites and then it's gone. I just did a video of the last one that I did going down the drain to send to my buddy in Germany because he's like a huge fan of the fire noodles, and he's just gonna be like, wow. I'll show him the pictures. I'll show him the pictures of the of it, like all nice photos and stuff, and then I'll send him a video of me like throwing it down the garbage disposal. Like, how could you do this? It's my gig, sorry. There's a lot of restraint not eating a lot of these bowls of noodles, let me tell you. Because some of them are really good and they beg me to eat them. Seriously. They're like, eat me! I always hope that every bowl is like that, so... I mean, but when I do a couple reviews like I did today, I record them as having 10%, but I'm probably having more like 5 to 8%. If that. Here's the sauce for this one. And this is a-sha dry noodle. And what's funny is actually today their boxed variety, there's a really fancy one that has a pouch that has Wagyu beef in it, which if you don't know what that is, it's like expensive beef. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's like high-end fancy beef. And it's one that you can only get during the holidays, like Lunar New Year, things like that. Which is kind of funny. You can't get it all year round? What? Yeah, there's fancy stuff out there that you can only get at certain times of year, which I think is cool. And I would have put that on my top 10 list, the annual, but the other one is simply because I'm not going to ask you guys to look at a top 10 list where you can't there's like no possible way you can get the product. I mean, pretty much everything on there, you know, I know a lot of people ask me, where can I get this? It's like, you have to work. You got to put your time in. You got to look everywhere. You got to like find people from those countries and send them the money and all that kind of stuff if you really, really want that. Or you can look on eBay Canada or this or that. But anyways, yeah, some of them are just absolutely, I won't say nothing is impossible to get as far as instant noodles go. But it can be like a real, real hard thing to get. So the last one was like Scallion flake, I'm guessing, or chives, and this one is chili flake. It smells good. Alright. there is our dry, make sure you can see that, dry noodle. So let's give it a try. There we go. That's interesting. It's sweet, a little spiciness, very little spiciness. It's good. This is one of those that I could totally scarf down in like 2 minutes right now, but I have to not do that. I'll have a couple bites though. Interesting. It's hard. I wish there was like an easy way to center this. There probably is, but I don't know it. So if you know an easy way to center such a thing, let me know. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this is good stuff. Bravo! I would eat this every day. You wouldn't have to like hit me or nothing. I would just do it for free. I think we're gonna leave it at that. It really doesn't need a whole heck of a lot of help. Yeah. So let's get it. Enjoy. Alright, cool. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you and everyone you know and the entire universe enjoyment of their noodles every day. Go to theramenraider.com. Just do it, because if you go to theramenraider.com and there's a little search box, you can find all sorts of crap, you know? I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties and I still have people asking me, have you ever tried Shin Ramen? Or have you ever had Indomie? You haven't had Indomie. That's why it's not on the top 10 list. Crap like that. It's like, yes, I've had like 50 kinds of Indomie. Did you know there's mushroom Shin Ramyun? Anyways, have a good one. Bye.